Hi there. Are you concerned about your privacy while sending voice messages on WhatsApp? Well, fear no more. WhatsApp's newest update brings you the View Once feature for voice messages. This means that your voice messages will automatically delete from the receiver's device after they have been listened to, enhancing your privacy and giving you peace of mind. But hold on a second. You might be wondering, doesn't WhatsApp already have this feature for pictures? And you're absolutely right. WhatsApp has already been offering the View Once feature for pictures, allowing you to send photos that disappear after they have been seen. Now, they've extended this same functionality to voice messages, so you can enjoy the same level of privacy and security. Just think about it. You can now send voice messages without worrying about them sticking around on someone else's phone or falling into the wrong hands. It's like having whispered conversations that disappear into thin air after they have served their purpose. So, how does this work? It's really simple. Whenever you're recording a voice message, you'll see a new option to enable the View Once feature. Here's a quick step-by-step guide on how to use it. 1. Open WhatsApp and navigate to the chat where you want to send a voice message. 2. Wipe up on the microphone icon to lock recording and free your hands. 3. Before sending, look for the green lock icon with a single eye symbol. Tapping it turns on the View Once feature. 4. And then speak your message and tap the send button. By following these steps, you ensure that your voice message remains for your recipient's ears only. With this update, WhatsApp is making it easier than ever to maintain your privacy and protect your personal conversations. So, go ahead and take advantage of this great feature today and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your voice messages are secure. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this information helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates and useful guides. Stay tuned for more privacy-enhancing features from WhatsApp. Until next time, take care and keep your conversations private. Goodbye and happy messaging.